Hi there. Welcome to episode 1 of the New York Injury Law Show. I'm Scott Peterson from DeRazio Peterson LLP. Our firm helps educate, empower, and guide individuals when they've been involved in a serious accident in the state of New York. The purpose of the show is to provide you with information to try to help get you through what is a very difficult process after you or someone in your family has been involved in a serious accident. There's probably lots of questions. How do your bills get paid? Who's going to take care of you or your family member? Who's going to supplement the income that is lost when someone is hurt? All sorts of questions. And the internet is full of answers. Some right, many wrong, and none specific to your situation. So you're looking around, you're trying to find yourself answers and trying to find yourself some guidance. That's what this show is for. We're here to help give you some information to try to help ease the pain that you're going through at this moment. This first episode, we're going to talk about when it is that you should reach out to an attorney to handle an injury, particularly if it's a severe injury that's involving you or a family member and you find yourself in a position where you're asking a lot of questions. That's sort of the question. Are you finding yourself looking online, trying to find answers to questions that are keeping you up at night or that are really concerning to you? Those questions I asked before. Who's going to pay medical bills? How am I going to deal with the long-term injuries to my spouse or my child or myself? How long do I have to file a claim? Those are the kind of questions that you really should think about reaching out to an attorney who handles these kinds of cases, because they're very fact-specific, they can be complicated, and in many cases there are specific timelines that apply that if you don't meet them, you could find yourself out of luck. If you find yourself online and you're looking at all kinds of websites and you're looking for information, it may pay for you to reach out to somebody, have a conversation, and see if you need to take the next steps and pursue some kind of legal action. At a minimum, you'll get your questions answered. And if you make that decision that you want to do that, the sort of follow-up question to that is, well, how do I find someone who can help? Now, you walk down the street, you turn on the television, and you see ads for lawyers who handle accident cases. The question you have to ask yourself is, what kind of attorneys do I want to work with? Do I want to work with a larger firm that handles higher volume cases, who does a lot of advertising, where I may be dealing with or working with a paralegal or some type of assistant or some kind of young lawyer? If that's what you want, great. There's plenty of ways to find those attorneys. Some people prefer to work with someone in a more personalized setting, where they can speak with the attorney individually, they can get to know them, and they can know that when they have specific questions, the attorney is going to answer them personally. We've kept our firm small for that exact reason, because we like to get to know our clients. We like to be able to pick up the phone when they call. We like to be able to respond to their emails, and we like to be able to give them guidance to help them through these difficult times. So my suggestion to you is that if you decide you want to work with an attorney, give it some serious thought. Ask around, ask your friends, ask your colleagues, look online. If you find that there are attorneys or law firms who are answering the questions that you have online, they're writing articles about them, they're shooting videos about them, they have clients giving testimonials about them, maybe you want to think about reaching out to someone like that, because you know that they've dealt with these issues before, and you know that maybe they would be a good fit for you. Do yourself a favor and don't hire an attorney haphazardly. It's a big decision. This is a very serious situation that you're going through, and your attorney should take it as seriously as you do. I wouldn't hire a doctor because I saw an ad for them on television. I would do my homework, I would do my research, and I would decide if that doctor was a good fit for my condition or my concerns and my personality. Do the same when you're looking for an attorney. In the end, you will be very thankful that you did, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. This is what we do. We're happy to help.